Alright, this is a unit condition of 2707 North Orchard Knob. It is 8:31 in the morning on January 20th. On the outside, some debris is left. The mailbox is missing. It's in the trash can, broken or smashed. There's just trash every place. The walls are beyond normal wear and tear. These walls are just covered with grease. Damage. I don't know what was. Grease everywhere. Kitchen full of stuff. Looks like the door is knocked off of one of the cabinets. Cabinets have trash in them. Of course, every cabinet is full. This is how the fridge was left. Food. Brand new refrigerator. Beer. Missing from the vet there. Molding broken at the bottom of the tub. Paint peeled off the window here. I don't know what they were doing to the window ledge. Grease every place. Master bedroom. More grease on the walls, I guess. This is that drywall that they were supposed to patch. That they didn't patch. They just put some type of fabric over it. Stuffed it or something. Can't believe that the inspectors came back and said that that was patched okay. They did. So 2707 North Orchard Knob.